Hi, this is Sealcant, and I'm going to be giving a quick overview of some of the NOAA Planet Stewards quests for marine life, starting with this introductory one. That's kind of an overview, just gets students in the mood to learn about marine life, gives them some beautiful images, and it's a sort of a call to arms to say let's learn about marine life so that we can help sustain it. So let's look at a more science-based quest here. This one is so it's called Roll Call. It's a rundown of marine mammals, and it's meant to give students a familiarity with the 125 marine mammals that are currently protected by the Marine Mammal Protection Act. We take them to the Offices of Protective Resources page, and we let them look at specific animals and learn more about them. And we also take them to stock assessment reports and allow them to learn what it is that a stock assessment report does and why it's important. Let's go on and look at another quest. This quest is about ocean acidification. We show them a quick video to familiarize them with the acidification process, and then we talk about the effect of acidification on marine life. We look at what species are affected using this interactive. Allows them to select species and see how they're affected. We can see also interactive graph of the change of CO2 levels over time, and look at what effect that has on ocean acidity and why that works, using some models. And then students actually do a virtual lab in which they measure urchin larvae to determine how pH affects them. Here's another quest, redfish, bluefish. In this quest, students are learning to identify fish based on their physical features. So we use the Michigan Sea Grant materials that allow them to identify different features on fish, and then they will also learn what a dichotomous key is and understand how those are used to distinguish and identify fish. Then we send them to the Fish Watch page, and we have them create their own dichotomous key, basically by looking at features of fish as illustrated on this page. And here's one more quest we'll look at quickly. It's about marine mammal stranding networks, and basically we give them an overview of what marine mammal stranding is, so they understand what the definition is. Then we introduce them to the response program that's been in place for 20 years and give them some background on that. And then we dive into stranding networks and have them find the stranding network that's geographically closest to them and try to learn more about it. And they record what they've learned in their submission. So that's a quick overview of just a few of the quests that are in the marine life careers for Planet Stewards.